Hi beautiful people, my name is Yogicas. Thank you for joining me today. Today I have a very powerful Kriya that I recommend you do it daily. This Kriya is overall health beneficial Kriya. If you want to have more energy, have calmer mood, better sleep, balanced hormones, stronger immunity, and deeper resilience, and how to find its natural way of well-being. So let's get started. Let's put hands to prayer mudra. Breathe in and tune in to chant. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Atgure Name, Jugatgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Atgure Name, Jugatgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Atgure Name, Jugatgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Breathe in. Invite your higher self to guide you. And breathe out. Hands down to Jian Mudra. Just feel this mantra settling in. And come to presence. First, we're going to start with opening our hands to the sides and coming together with our lower parts of our palms touching each other, creating a V shape. Hands go out, we breathe in. When hands come to the front, we breathe out. And we breathe only through the nose. Hold up to the third eye and powerful breath here. Now breathe in, squeeze your mubang, push this energy up, and breathe out. Very good. Hands down to Jian Mudra. We're putting the right hand behind the back and the left arm is forward straight and we're pushing the palm away from us and eyes are open for this one and we're watching our arms and we're saying har, 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 har. We're pumping the navel when we say har. Very powerfully here and just focus. Har, 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 har. Har. Very good. Next we're gonna move on straightly. We're locking the pinky fingers and our thumbs are up and now we're doing a breath of fire here. Very powerful breath of fire. Eyes are closed and rolled up to the third eye. So our adrenal glands is above our kidneys and it produces hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, works with our stress response, our flight response, and also it helps regulate blood pressure and electrolytes. Our kidney has a very powerful role in our hormonal balance. So when you're under chronic stress, you might feel fatigue, burnout, brain fog, sleep issues, and this is where this Kriya really helps you to balance all the hormones, to balance the stress responses, and really just let the well-being flow in your body naturally. And now breathe in, squeeze, and breathe out, hands down to Chian Mudra, and just feel this beautiful prana. Very good. Now we're moving on. We're going to all fours now. And we're lifting one leg with the head, one leg and the other leg. We breathe in when the leg and head comes up. We breathe out when the leg and head goes down. And find your own rhythm. Very good. Now we're moving on. We're placing the hands to the ground and we are bowing down to the front and back. And we breathe in and out, in and out. And this is a powerful breath again. So just keep focusing on the breath and eyes are closed for this one. When we are into the front, we breathe in. When we go to the back, we breathe out. We are regulating our stress response. We are restoring energy and vitality and also balancing hormones. So our adrenal glands, they are tiny, but they play a huge role in keeping our body balanced and resilient. They not only help with adapting with stress, but they also maintain energy and support almost every major system in your body. Breathe in and go into the cat-cow stretch. Very good. Now, make your way back up. And now, we're sitting again to the ground. And this time our hands are pushed forward and our thumbs are up. And we are breathing. When we go to the front, we breathe in. When we come back, we breathe out. And this is a fast movement. We're really activating our kidney glands here. This is a very purifying. We are pushing all the excess adrenal out of our bodies. So give it your best efforts here. Eyes are closed, eyes are rolled up to the third eye. You will feel the benefits of this Kriya after your practice. And if you practice this Kriya regularly, you will see the change in your body and in the well-being and in the way that you feel. Now breathe in and out. Very good. Now let's go to the back. We're pushing our hips upwards. And we're pushing up and down. We breathe in when the hips go up, and we breathe out, the hips go down. With this Kriya, we are also improving our emotional stability. Another benefit of this Kriya is that we are enhancing the sleep and recovery. When your adrenal heals, your body can finally rest, repair, and rejuvenate itself. Kriya is for more energy, calmer mood, better sleep, balanced hormones, stronger immunity, and deeper resilience. All that is required for our natural and true healing. Very good. Now roll yourselves back up. Come to easy pose. And now we're moving on with our last Kriya practice here. We are doing a breath of fire, but we are breathing through the O-shaped mouth. So through the mouth, eyes are closed, eyes are rolled up to the third eye. This is a very cooling, purifying, and powerful breath here. So just keep practicing this. Breathe in. And breathe out. Very good. Hands down to Jian Mudra. And just feel this beautiful, expansive energy, this powerful healing you have given to yourself. And if you wish, you can lie down for a Shavasana. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Allow your whole body to settle into stillness. Feel the weight of your body supported by the earth beneath you. Safe, grounded, and at peace. With every breath, feel your nervous system unwind a little bit more. Your adrenals, those tiny glands resting above your kidneys, they are healing now. They are finding their balance again, letting go of urgency, releasing the old patterns of stress and survival. And as you rest here, imagine a warm golden light at the base of your ribs, the center of your vitality. This golden light spreads through your lower back, through your belly, through your entire body, soothing, nourishing, replenishing you. Each inhale brings in calm and restoration. Each exhale releases tension, fatigue, and fear. Affirm to yourself, I am safe. I am supported. I allow my body to rest and renew. My energy returns with ease and grace. Feel gratitude for yourself for taking this time to slow down, to listen to your body, to heal. Your body knows how to restore balance. All you need to do is just trust and allow. Take one last deep breath, cleansing breath in and sigh out the fully. And when you're ready, bring gentle movement back into your fingers and toes. Open your eyes and returning to the room with a sense of calm and clarity. Carry this grounded energy with you into the rest of your day, knowing that healing happens not through force but through softness. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best and beautiful healing. I love you. Bye.